Hello everyone and welcome. In today's answer the question, what is the best free AI video generator to pick in 2025? So I brought 7 before you and you decide the ones you want. Now the first on our list is InVideo AI. Now if you want to unleash your creativity, use InVideo AI. Now what is InVideo AI? You've probably heard of it anyway. It is a big name in the AI video generator world, and guess what? Their free version is actually pretty awesome. Think of it like a video creation playground packed with features to make your videos pop. That's right, it's a powerhouse for beginners and pros alike. Their free plan is actually generous and the paid plans offers even more creative freedom. So it's a great go-to for quick professional looking videos. It's user-friendly, it has templates galore, about 5,000 templates to choose from, covering every style and niche. And it has the smart text to video to transform your blog posts or scripts into videos in minutes. It has massive media library, about 8 million plus stock videos, and it is all royalty free. High quality exports. You get the crisp 1080p videos you've been dreaming of. So as I said, the free plan, very good, even with fences and watermarked, videos are watermarked. And for the plus plan, you pay $25 per month, max plan $60 per month. It's really good. So like I said, the comments are the watermarks, and then some features are limited in the free plan and can be slow to process longer videos. Next on our list is Pictory. Now Pictory is like that friend who's always got your back when it comes to video editing. It's super simple to use, even if you've never touched video editing software before. It specializes in turning your script and articles into engaging videos, which is perfect for bloggers and content creators. That's right, if you're looking for a hassle-free way to turn your articles into videos, Pictory is the best way to go. It is not the most robust editor out there, but excels at what it does. It's very good. About the pricing, we have the free plan, start plan, promotional plan, and teams plan. So the cons I could say was that it can be slow to process longer videos too, and has a smaller media library compared to others, and has limited video editing capabilities. The small line is Signup. Now Signup, as you can see, it's really good. And if you've heard of Signup before, so it's not the first time of hearing about Signup, but in case it is, let me give you a lowdown. Now Signup is an AI-powered video creation platform that is designed to simplify the video creation process. It offers various template styles and features to generate engaging videos quickly and easily. It's a decent option for beginners who want to create basic video quickly. However, it lacks some of the advanced features and customization options found in other tools. For the pricing, it's in the ring on the screen says you have the free plan, start plan, business plan, and enterprise. So it's quite simple. It has smaller selection of stock assets, video quality, and actually as good as it could be, and it has limited features compared to other tools. Next on our list is not available. So let's move on next. Vidio. Now, what is Vidio? Some of you have heard of the Vidio. That's right. The Vidio is a very powerful online video editor that's surprisingly easy to use. It's packed with features like automatic transcription, subtitle generation, and even a built-in teleprompter. That's right. It's a great tool for creating professional-looking videos with minimal effort, especially if you need transcription and subtitle features. However, it might not be the best choice for creative projects. So that's free plan, basic plan, pro plan, business plan, and enterprise. This is about the AI. Looking so realistic. Alright, so moving on. For the cons, inside free plan, some features are feel kind of clunky and it's the best for creative video editing or effects. The next line we have is this one. Unfortunately, the link is not active now. That is the Luma AI. Now I can tell you about the Luma AI. That is this one. This was the Luma AI I couldn't access. It's a relatively new player in the AI video generation space, but already making waves with its impressive 3D capture technology. While not a full-fledged video editor, it allows you to make full 3D models for simple videos which can then be used in other video projects. It's a game changer for 2D capture, but it's not for everyone. It's a niche tool that excels at what it does, but it may not be the best fit for general video creation needs. So next on our list is Vidnox. Now I've done Vidnox already, sorry. Next on our list should be this one. But unfortunately it is not available. Okay. So we're going to go straight to the next one. And that is not available. So runway. Okay, but I can tell you about it. Now the runway is not really not available. It's not available for my region. So you can try to use. So runway is a bit of a different beast. It is geared towards more creative types who want to experiment with AI powered video effects and editing tools. What does not offer some basic creation tools? Its real strength lies in its innovative AI models. It's a playground for creative minds, but it may not be the best choice for beginners or those looking for a quick and easy video solution. So for the plan, it has basically standard, the Pro, Unlimited, and the Enterprise plan. So this is FlexClip that is missing here. FlexClip. So FlexClip is a jack of all trades video marketer. It offers a solid mix of features for both beginners and experienced users. It's a great option for creating social media videos, marketing content, and even simple animation. So as you can see, it's not a number of reasons why this link is not correctly available. So since the temporary not actively promoting this program. Anyway, that's it for FlexiClip. Oh yes, FlexiClip is a very good choice for everyday video creation, but it lacks the advanced AI features found in some other tools. And it has the free plan, the plus plan, and the business plan. So that is it. Now, if I will give you some tips on what to look for in a free AI video generator. The first thing you should look at is ease of use. How intuitive is the interface? Can you create videos quickly without a steep learning curve? Next, you look at customization options. Can you add your branding, music, and voiceovers to those generators, videos they are generated? And video template, does the tool offer a variety of pre-designed templates to save you time and effort? Then check text-to-speech capabilities. Can you easily convert scripts or blog posts into videos with realistic voices? Check the stock footage and images. So does the platform offer a library of free media assets to enhance your videos? Then check video quality. How does the final output look? Is it high def and professional looking? Then check export options. Can you easily download and share your videos in various formats? And lastly, look at customer support. Is there helpful documentation or responsive support team if you need assistance? Because free AI video generators can benefit you because they're game changers. You're a small business owner, content creator, educator on a tight budget, or whatever. They help you to level the playing field, giving you access to professional content video creation tools without the effective price tag. It don't only save your time and money, but also open up new creative possibilities for you. So you can even use the AI to generate unique visuals and effects that would otherwise require expensive software or specialized skills. In short, or in conclusion, free AI video generators empower you to tell your story, share your ideas, and connect with your audience in a whole new way. So please check, and check. So I would say the best way to narrow down out of those options I gave to you, the best for you is the pricing. Check the pricing, compare the pricing, the features, the negatives like the cons that I mentioned, and the support, and can you get a refund. To check all these things, because these factors, you should be able to pick from the list of these top free AI video generators 25 and be able to choose the ones that are the best for you. So hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.